Okay, quickly. Now we have done four theorems. Four theorems. What are the four theorems? They were all distinct. What we are doing is now the numbers are not longer distinct. They are not. They are not different. They are similar. So what do we do in this case when we had suppose we had 13 numbers? How do we do it without repetition? 13 factorial. Now the 13 alphabets. What do we do? 13 factorial divided by the things times they are coming equal. 3 is coming how many times? 3. 4 is coming how many times? 4. 6 is coming how many times? That's my answer. Is it clear or not? The question says the number of 9-digit numbers that can be found by using all the digits of the number so that even digits occupy only even places. Even digits occupy only even places. So what we did, we wrote 1 is coming 4, 2 is coming twice, 3 is coming twice, and 4 is coming twice. Which are the places where we require even digits? 2, 4, 6, and 8. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So how many places of filling up even digits? 4 factorial. By which digits? 2 and 4. How many times is 2 repeating? 2 factorial. 4, 2 factorial. Is it clear or not? This is for even. Now we have to fill up odd also. How many odd digits are remaining? 5. Who's going to fill it up? 1 and 3. 1 has to be 3, I guess. 3 times, sorry. 1 has to be 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1. No. This is extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Is it clear? This would be extra. Then it will become 10. So this would be how many times? 3 times. Clear or not? So how do we do it? How many times is 3 repeating? 1 repeating? 3 times. How many times is 3 repeating? Twice. Why did we have 3 factorial for 1? Why did we have 2 factorial for 3? This is for 4 and this is for 2. That's my answer. If we solve it up, this becomes 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 5 into 4, because 3 factorial will get cancelled. You're left with 5 into 4 divided by 2. This gets cancelled. What's your answer? 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5. Any doubts? How can we fill it up? 60 ways. Any doubts with this? Can we move ahead? Multiply. It's even and odd, both. Not or. We have to fill even places and also odd places. Is it clear? Not separately. Okay. Now suppose we have 4 factorial by 2 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this and this would get cancelled. So I write 4 by 3 divided by 2. How would I write this? 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 gets cancelled. That's how we get it. Is it clear? Can we move ahead? Next. Try this. The number of 7-digit odd number that can be formed using all the 7 digits. How many 7 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either we have 1. How many times? 1. 2 we have how many times? 3. 3 we have how many times? 2. 5 we have how many times? 1. The question says the number of 7-digit odd numbers. Odd. For odd, the last digit has to be odd. Either 1 or 3 or 5. This is the number of time they are repeating. So you have 3 cases for yourself where it ends with 1, where it ends with 3, where it ends with 5, not 6, for making it odd. Yes or no? Try this by yourself now. How would you do it? Simple है, 6 factorial to आएगा. Then what do you do? Because suppose I put in the last digit 1. How many digits are remaining? How many? Simple, no? How many digits remaining? 6. So how many ways of filling it? 6 factorial. 1 we have filled, so we don't require 1. I'm just cancelling for this case. How many 2s do we have? How many 3s do we have? Yes or no? This becomes 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 2. How much would this become? 60. by 2. Because what is 6 factorial? 6 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So that is for 1. Now we have 3 as the last digit. If we have 3 as the last digit, number of ways of filling it up, 6 factorial. Yes or no? Because we have taken 3. So 3 would also be how many times now? 3 would be 1 time. So we don't require, only thing that is coming again and again is 2. How many times? So 6 by 3 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4. How much does this come out to be? Any doubts? 2 factorial, but 3 is coming twice and already 3 is used in the last digit. Yes, correct. Now we have 5. 3 use कर लिया, हमने last में use किया. 6 ways of filling, 6 factorial. How many ones do we have? 1. We don't put anything. How many 2s do we have? 3 factorial. How many 3s do we have? 1. एक तो 3 end में आ ही चुका है. So now how many times it's going to be repeated? Only once. Or it was repeated twice. Any doubts now? 1 और 3 एक एक बार हो गया. Is it clear? जब हाँ मल्टीप्लाई 2 इस करके नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हमने 3 तो ऑलरेडी काउंट कर दिया. हमने बोला पहले में लास्ट डिजिट था 1, सेकंड में लास्ट डिजिट क्या है 3. जब ऑलरेडी 3 एंड में है, अब हमने ये वाले डिजिट्स देख रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग वाले रेपिटेशन के लिए. अब इसमें तो रेपिटेशन ही नहीं है 3 का, एक बार ही आ रहा है. नो 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 बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी एडेड 3. चाहे 3 इधर है चाहे उधर है, डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. वो आगे 3 ऐड कर दिया ना हमने. ओके नेक्स्ट 5. अगर 5 है, again it will be 6 factorial. How many times 1? 1. How many times 2? How many times 3? So this should come out to be 60. This is for 5. So if we add all of them, 60 plus 60, 120. Total number of times 240 times this number is going to come. Any doubts with this? Is that clear? Okay, try this one. The number of words with or without meaning that can be formed using all the words assassination so that vowels occur together. This is really important when they occur together. Now this is going to be a problem. We've done this in dices. Sorry, in the case of that. No, when we said 2 reds are going to be together, that we've done it. Now I'm just going to explain it. How many A's do we have? 3. How many S do we have? How many I's do we have? How many O do we have? How many N do we have? A3, S4. How many T's do we have? 1. Total 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Total digits are 30. It is but obvious. But if I were to, if did not say vowels together, I would have taken it as by whatever, by 3 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. I would have taken that. If it did not say vowels together, what's your answer? I'm just saying, what is my answer? 13 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. That's it, simple, no? Now let's put all the vowels together. 13 factorial is number of ways. 13 alphabets, so 13 factorial. Why did we do 3 factorial? Because it's repeated 3 times. By the times it's repeated, we divide by the same factorial. 4 factorial, 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. Any doubts? But it says the vowels are together. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O. So how many are these? How many are left? 7. How many are left? 7. We consider this to be 1 unit now. We consider this to be 1 unit. How many A's do we have? 3. How many I's do we have? 2. How many O's do we have? 1. 13 minus 6 makes it. How many are left? How many are left? 7. How many are left? 7. So how do I fill this 8 factorial? Because 7, and we consider this as 1 unit. 8 factorial, because it can come either in front or it can come like wherever we say. Any of the case, first, second, third, fourth. So it's 8 now. Yes or no? Everybody clear by 8? Because we're considering as 1. What is repeated? S how many times? 4 times. What else is left? N 2 times. Is this the answer? T is 1, no? So we don't do that. So it is. So we do this. Is this the answer? No. This is how we are arranging this as one unit. But what's left? The 7 which are together, which can shuffle into each other. How would I do it? 3 into, that's it. Was 7? No, it's 6. Sorry. Why are you saying 7? It's 6 factorial. This is the combined is 6, no? Why are you doing that? First, we combined 7 plus 1, 8. And we have to only look at these 6 now. Why would I do 7? Is it clear? 7 together. Now 1 becomes 1 unit. ये कुछ और ही कर रहा है. कहाँ पे आ रहा है इसको आंसर? You think that क्या? 7 plus 1. 7 is only this. Plus 1 is also there, no? Now this becomes 1 unit. We do this individually. First we do 8. Simple. Then we look at this individually. Any doubts? We get this. Vowels. This is basically for vowels. The one that I made with the L. Simple. It's not difficult. पहले तो 8 वाला समझ आ गया. 6 वाले में क्या है? ये अब 6 आपस में तो इंटरचेंज हो सकते हैं. हमने थोड़ी है कि A I O ही लिखना है. We can write it any way. How can we write it? 6 factorial divided by 3 divided by 2. Is it clear? Because they can, vowels have to be together, we get it. But it does not mean it has to be A first. It can be O first. It can be AI. Yes. 6 vowels. Yes. Into 2 क्यों करेंगे? वो डिफरेंट होता है. वो अलग चीज है, ये अलग चीज है. वो तो into 2 तो फ्रंट और बैक के लिए होता है. तो हमने जब हमने 8 फैक्टोरियल लगा दिया, इसका मतलब ही क्या है? ये फर्स्ट में भी हो सकता है, सेकंड में भी हो सकता है, थर्ड भी. वो एक यूनिट बन गया. अब मैंने पूरे को वावल्स को एक यूनिट बोल दिया. That becomes 8 factorial. सर भी ऐसे कर रहा था कि अगर वॉवल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट वाला आ रहा है तो वॉवल्स को एक साइड करके कॉन्सोनेंट को एक साइड कर देते हैं. फिर उसको जितने है वो शफल हो रहा है वो फिर हम लोग करके. वो depends on the question. You have to, don't mix it up. Everybody clear with this or not? वो पूरा एक यूनिट हो गया ना. जो 6 मल्टीप्लाई किया ना. 1 सेकंड. मैंने क्या किया, पहले 7 को पूरा, ये 7 थे और एक मैंने बोल दिया जो ये बड़ा वाला है. अब कितने यूनिट स्पेसेस है तेरे पास? 8. ये 8 किसी भी तरीके से फिल हो सकता है. पहले ये भी आ सकता है, सेकंड ये भी आ सकता है, थर्ड भी आ सकता है. तो मैंने 8 तरीके से फिल कर दिया. दैट्स व्हाई आई टुक 8. फिर मैंने बोला जब ये अपना इंटरनली यहाँ पे खड़ा होएगा तो इट विल मेक समथिंग एल्स. वो क्या होएगा? उसका मिक्सिंग बता दिया मैंने. मल्टीप्लाई, not plus. Can we move ahead? Try this. Okay, now this. If all the letters of the word Varun are arranged in all possible manners as they are dictionary, then the rank of the word Varun. Okay, first of all, we write down in terms of your alphabetically. Please pay attention. We write down in terms of alphabet. First would come A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Yes or no? Is any word repeating? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we can fill it? So total ways of filling the word is 120. But he's not asking this. He said only if these alphabets were there, what would be the rank of Varun? It's a confirmed question gently, which has come now for India this time around. Okay, so which is the first alphabet we have? हमारे डिक्शनरी में सिर्फ 5 वर्ड्स है. हमें और आते नहीं है. क्या हुआ? सबसे ज्यादा आता है. सबसे किसने बोल दिया? सबसे ज्यादा रट्टा नहीं बज रहा होगा उसमें. रट्टा नहीं बज रहा होगा उस पे, I tell you. Okay, let's quickly start. Okay, बहुत सिंपल है. Okay, first alphabet. उसने क्या बोला कि 5 digits ही हैं, सिर्फ 5 alphabets पढ़े, 5 से बड़ा बन ही नहीं सकता. उसने बोला 3 भी नहीं considered, 4 भी नहीं करना. उसने क्या बोला, if all the letters of Varun are arranged in possible manners and they are in dictionary with meaning or without meaning, 5 को ही arrange करना है, तो इस वरुण का कौन सा रैंक आएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या होगा, पहले तो सब डिस्टिंक्ट है तो क्या हो जाएगा 5 फैक्टोरियल. ए से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो कितने बच गए, 4 वेज, दैट मींस 4 फैक्टोरियल. 4 फैक्टोरियल मींस 24. ए तक तो 24 फिल हो जाएगा. फिर एन में कितना फिल हो जाएगा, सेम 4 फैक्टोरियल, दैट विल आल्सो बी 24. देन आर 4 फैक्टोरियल, हाउ मच, 24. यहाँ तक क्लियर है कि नहीं. We have started with A alphabet, then we started with N, then we started with R, now we started with U. Another 4 factorial, that is also 24. Till this part is clear. So it is but obvious the rank has to be more than 96. But obvious. Now we start with V. V के बाद कौन सा alphabet आता है, A. V के बाद क्या आता है, A. फिर आएगा N. N we don't need. We need R. So N में आगे कितना बच गया, 2 alphabets. 2 alphabets का 2 factorial, that is 2. What's the rank till here, VAN 98. Till this part is clear. U के बाद क्या आएगा, V. V के बाद कौन सा alphabet आता है, A. तो A तो आ ही रहा है alphabetically. V के बाद A, then we have N. We don't require N, so we have to cancel all the words with VAN. One would be VN, UR, one would be VAN. Sorry, RU, like that we cancelled 2 words, alphabets. After VAN, we have R. Then we have U and no. Then we have N and U, which is 1. That will be what? 99. VAR आ जाएगा. N के बाद क्या आता है, R. Yes or no? VN के बाद क्या आता है, R. And we have R के बाद क्या आएगा, NU पहले आएगा, फिर आएगा VARUN. Another rank. What's the rank? 100. 99 is wrong because what's जो फर्स्ट आता है उसका भी तो रैंक फर्स्ट ही होता है, उसका 0 थोड़ी होता है. हाँ हाँ, 99 100 था यार. VAN तक आ गया. A के बाद क्या था, N. अब नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या आएगा VA के बाद, ANRUB. VAN हो गया. अब VAR ही आना था, पर R के बाद फिर से कौन सा अल्फाबेट पहले आएगा, N, फिर U. ये तो नहीं चाहिए, तो ये लिख दिया है. फिर VAR के बाद क्या आएगा, U, फिर N. That is 100. Is it clear or not? VAR तक क्लियर है. VAR है, उसके बाद हमें अगर VAR लिख दिया तो कौन से अल्फाबेट्स क्लियर हो गए, V भी हो गया, A भी हो गया, R भी हो गया. अब कौन सा अल्फाबेट छोटा है, N. पहले VARNU आएगा, which is not required, फिर VARUN आएगा. So what's the rank, 100. So it will not be 99. अगर repetition मैं करूंगा, don't worry, I'll do like in India and everything, I'll explain it to you. Why do I say it is, first just go through this. Any doubts? I'm surprised that which हाँ, लेंदी कहाँ पे है, ये कहाँ पे लेंदी है, ये लेंदी कहाँ पे है, तो इसमें कहाँ पे लेंदी है. पहले तो मैं अभी बताता हूँ, पहले इंडिया से करके फिर मैं बताऊंगा. अब उसमें क्या है, पहले 13 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय सब कुछ करेंगे. हाँ, वो टोटल वर्ड्स है. पहले ए से स्टार्ट करेंगे, फिर ऐसे करेंगे. I'll explain it to you, don't worry. This is the case. किसको नहीं चाहिए, तो VN तो डिक्शनरी में तो आएगा, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूँ, मिस कर दूँ. तो रैंक लेके आनी है डिक्शनरी में, पहले VN आएगा, वरुण सीधा ही आ जाएगा. हाँ, सबको ऐड किया. यस, सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. तो बोलेगा सीधा ही उस पे चले जाओ, VAR ऐसे चलेंगे. इज इट क्लियर? Next. Done. Sure. इसमें रट्टा नहीं बन सकता ना, प्रॉब्लम इज दैट देयर इज नो रट्टाफिकेशन. हाँ हाँ. अच्छा, अब मैं ये फिर से रब कर देता हूँ. Okay, I'll just. Okay, look here. Okay. So you are clear till 96? You can. I think so. She knows how dictionary. Alphabetic. Let me get the charger also. Okay. It's a very interesting thing. Now, when we talk about dictionary, it is going to be alphabet wise. If A comes, what's left? 4 factorial. If N comes, what's left? 4 factorial. Vishal, charger, please. R के बाद क्या आएगा? 4 factorial. Till here we have done U. Now we're done with V. V. When you get done with V, when you start with V, what's the first alphabet you have? So I required A, so it's okay. After VA, what do we have? N. So now there'll be alphabets from VAN at the start of the dictionary from alphabet V. How many words are left? So how will they be filled up? 2 factorial. Why are we not filling those two? Which are you not filling? Can you get the charger, please? That last two. Which last two? VAN. Okay, I do it like that. VAN. Let's fill it up. VAN RU. Then VAN UR. I'm just wasting my time by filling this up. So it'll become 97, 98. That's what I did, 2 factorial. Then you said, okay, since you're saying that, I'll do it like that also. You just be wasting your time. After VAN, what's the next alphabet? R. What do we have? First is NU, that's 99. Then VARUN is 100. I did not do this because I did not want to write 2 factorial. Like this, so I'll have to then write every word for a dictionary. Then so my calculation is gone. 96? Yeah, let's do Shivam. We'll get this from this. How many alphabets are there in Shivam? So total number of ways of filling it up, which is how much? Perfect. Now tell me how. Acha, very good. Acha, alphabet तो आते हैं ना? First alphabet कौन था English के? Very good. Next. नहीं, उस द रट्टा मार के ठीक होता है. Alphabets तो ऐसे थोड़ी होते हैं. A, then okay. Okay. So first alphabet would be A. How many fill in the blanks are there? 5. What's 5 factorial? Good. Then H. I don't require 5 factorial. Then I. 5 factorial. Then V. How many factorials? Then A. Sorry. M. Sorry, I was just going. M. Then S. M. Then S. 5 factorial. 120. Then we have V. No, but I did not require that. I require till here. Then we have S. Yes or no? S. It starts with 7. Then we have A. S के बाद first alphabet is A. How many spaces are left? हाँ, V की जरूरत क्या है? V जब शिवम पहले आ जाएगा, V क्यों निकालना? विक्की किसने बोला निकालने के लिए? जैसे शिवम बोली ना, तो V पे क्यों जाना? जब now suppose if I say apple to zebra, we know all this. अब मुझसे पूछा है, राकेश पूछा है, तो मैं राकेश के बाद सुरेश पे क्यों जाऊँ? सुरेश is पीछे. So we finish at Rakesh. हाँ, बस. That's it. What is 4 factorial? Okay, done everybody. SA is not required. What is required then? H. Perfect. SH is for me, perfect word. I don't need to do. Next alphabet would be SH के बाद कौन सा alphabet आता है बच्चे? यार डिक्शनरी में तेरे पास 6 alphabets है और मैंने order wise लिखे हैं. SH के बाद कौन सा alphabet आएगा? वो देख 6 alphabets से सामने लिखे हैं. I के पहले A नहीं आ रहा. डिक्शनरी जब तू फिल करेगी ऐसे हो गए ने ऐसे के सारे फिल कर दिए 24 वर्ड्स थे ऐसे से. फिर SH से स्टार्ट किया. फिर नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या आएगा? A. नंबर एज इन
इसको कहते रट्टा नहीं आ रहा है ऐसे देवर अच्छा तो डिक्शनरी थिंग प्रॉब्लम दैट्स व्हाई द कंफ्यूजन
3 factorial is 6. This is clear or not? We are looking at all the words that could have been made from SHA. Now A is done. हाँ? अच्छा डिक्शनरी में जब तू फर्स्ट वर्ड S के बाद खोलेगी तो A ही आएगा ना, या S के बाद सीधा V आ जाएगा? तो A से जितने वर्ड्स थे वो बना लिए. It had 4 ways, 4 fill in the blanks थे. So I could have arranged it how many ways? 4 factorial. So that's what I added. जब ऐसे के सारे वर्ड्स हो गए, नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट कौन आएगा? H. उससे कितने SH के बाद कौन सा नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट आएगा? A. कितने स्पेसेस बच गए? 3. उनको अरेंज करने का तरीका 3 factorial which is 6. नेक्स्ट SH के बाद क्या आएगा? I. और नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या चाहिए? नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या आएगा? A. शिवम है ना, शिवम का निकालना है रैंक. रैंक ही शिवम का निकालना है. A से सारी खत्म कर दिए, H से सारी खत्म कर दी, I से खत्म कर दिए, M से खत्म कर दिए. अब SHI कितने रह गए? 2 factorial 2. SHIA नहीं चाहिए, हमें क्या चाहिए? Then it will be M, which is again 2 factorial 512. Yes or no? SHIM. I'm writing it here. I'm putting it here. SHIA 512. Sorry, this is 512. S को तो फिक्स रखना है, शिवम निकालना है. हमें A से नहीं चाहिए था, हमें H से नहीं चाहिए था, I से नहीं चाहिए था, M से नहीं चाहिए था. S से चाहिए. शिवम का तो रैंक निकालना है ना. यस, रैंक ही तो निकाले. इज इट क्लियर? सेम कर दें. SHIM क्लियर है? ये एग्जैक्ट आएगा. SHIM के बाद M के बाद कौन सा अल्फाबेट आता है? B. A. M. Now we don't require it because it will be A. Any doubts with this? हाँ? Okay, चलो. फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट क्या होता है? फिर
BHIU.
Very good. How many ways you can fill your name? So first way is B. तेरा तो बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा रैंक. B के बाद क्या आएगा? H, है ना. हमें और I भी चाहिए. BHI में कितने आ जाएंगे अल्फाबेट्स? 2 factorial 2. फिर क्या आएगा? BH के बाद क्या आएगा? U. U के बाद कौन सा आएगा? IB. That is third. BHUVI would be fourth. You're the fourth rank. Fourth ही हुआ? मैं और चेंज कर दूं. अब तू ये मत कर. ये अब इसमें निकाल के दिखा.
पहले B आएगा.
B आया. 4 factorial. That is 24. Then you have H. No, BH. Correct. Then we have B. B के बाद कितना हो जाएगा? 3 factorial which is 6. तो टोटल कितना हो गया? 30. h के बाद b, b I के बाद b कितना हो जाएगा 3 फैक्टोरियल विच इज 636. h के बाद I के बाद क्या आएगा u विच आई रिक्वायर. ये सुनो u के बाद क्या आएगा वापस b कितना हो जाएगा 2 फैक्टोरियल 38. h u b के बाद क्या आएगा I अगेन 2 फैक्टोरियल 40. एच यू के बाद फिर क्या आएगा आपका तो एच यू के बाद तो बी आएगा ना किधर विच वन इधर तो बी तो हो गया ना बी के तो सारे खत्म कर लिए हमने जब 24 किए थे बी में सारे खत्म हो गए ये हुविब is it clear or not that's it so hu yeah no iv is just one bhu and bi is 2 factorial so it's just that isme the name is going to come right now so hu I is done hu then we have b done we have I done we have v and then we have bi that is 41 HUVIB would be 42nd. That would be the case.
So can we do with community where there are multiple variables?
I'll be doing it. I'll be doing it in terms of India and all this. I'm just giving it step by step. Don't worry. Okay, let's start with this now. The letters OT. The serial number of this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. We need to make tough. So we have first G, how much factorial? 24. H, how much factorial? O, T. Okay, now we start with T. T, then we have G, how much factorial? 3, 6. After TG, we have what? TH. 3 factorial 6. After H we have O. We stop now. तो पहले Q क्यों कहेंगे पहले G आएगा फिर H आएगा फिर O आएगा फिर T आएगा फिर U आएगा जब स्पेलिंग करते हैं RSTU आता है ना तो पहले T आएगा या U आएगा तो जब हमने निकालना ही टफ है तो हम U पे क्यों जाए फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट U ही क्यों देखना है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी टफ पहले आ जाएगा जब आप डिक्शनरी खोलते हो पहले T आता है या U आता है जब हमने टफ ही देखना तो मैं U पे क्यों जाऊं स्टेप बाय स्टेप यहाँ तक क्लियर टी ओ इज क्लियर टी ओ के बाद क्या आएगा G 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 टी ओ के बाद क्या आएगा H 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 टी ओ U करेक्ट G H 1 24 24 48 72 72 plus 6 78 plus 6 84 86 87 88 80 no 89 okay now let's start with this is where you had a problem now what is happening is India A D that's what we have right yes or no दो बार है don't worry बस हम तो उसके लिए लिख रहे हैं यार in terms of that okay what's the total number of times this word is going to be there 5 by 2 factorial why 2 because a repetition this is what you were asking now that's what we're going to do huh I is repeated twice no so divide by 2 क्यों होता है divide by what factorial which is repeated if it is repeated 3 times it will be 3 क्या हुआ
You've written it wrong. You've written 5 by 2 factorial A repeat. It's actually I repeat.
oh what I repetition okay everybody clear with this so now we start with A how much is the answer 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial why 2 because I is repeated not twice 4 into 3 that will be 12 after A we have D again 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, that will be 12. Till this part is clear or not? Then we have I. IA. How much? 3 spaces are left. 3 factorial makes it 6. IA, what? Because I has come in the first. I has come first, right? ID. Is this clear? Why not repetition? Which is correct. Why did you not do divided by 2? Because already come. After ID, again 3 factorial, which is 6. Then we have II, 3 factorial, again 6. Then we have IN, correct. IN के बाद क्या आएगा? A, which is 2 factorial, 2. IND, AI, 1. INDIA, 1. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 44, 45, 46.